All of my content is alleged.
We all change.
That's it. No more of these bougie sandwiches, and no more of that valet parking, and no more of these preppy parties.
Can a sandwich alone make you bougie enough to slap another man? Today we'll be making the turkey Gorgonzola on a croissant. Heavy on the gray Poupon.
You can't wait to see it.
Sandwich? Yeah, sure.
We'll be using croissants, gray Poupon, turkey, Gorgonzola, tomato, and pickle.
Hey, could you put that on croissant for me?
Sure.
First of all, you don't slap a man.
This sandwich is heavy on the gray Poupon.
Yeah, man, how you gonna play rubber on the great Poupon?
Add as much turkey as you'd like.
Swiss? No, Gorgonzola.
Go heavy on the Gorgonzola.
I mean, even when slapping was fashionable, and you know, they did it in Paris, the guy would come up, whop hat, I challenge you to a duel. They would have a gunfight after that. Somebody had to go.
Tomato and pickle are completely optional.
Hey. I'ma eat that though. But I ain't gonna enjoy it.
Oh my God.
Wow, dude.
That was a nice one. Okay.
Our sandwich is done and it looks beautiful. I can't wait to dig into this. Is this the sandwich that makes you act all bougie? Heavy on the gray Poupon, just like Joffrey would make it? I'm gonna give it a try.
Now you see it, now you don't. Yo, the funky fresh is back in the flesh with a vengeance, Holmes.
Hey, that really is special. A nice kick from the mustard balances everything out. You get a good bite from the cheese. I can see why this was Carlton's favorite sandwich. It really is good. Go ahead and make yourself one of these. Enjoy.
Keep my wife's
Sandwiches
out your mouth.
Wow, dude.
Yeah.
It was a sandwich joke.
Keep my wife's
sandwiches.
out your mouth.
I'm going to.
Oh my goodness.